Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited to have you here. Thank you so much for joining me today for this video. My name is Eliza if you're new around here, and today I'm going to be reviewing one of my latest purchases from Chanel, and I'm super excited to share it with you guys. So stay with me and let's get started. I'm super excited to open this beautiful box together with you and show you my new Chanel bag. So without further ado, let's go get it. This is my new Chanel classic flap in this stunning grey color with shiny gold hardware. I simply adore this. Honestly, I have 3 Chanel classic flaps and all of them are in caviar leather. So this is the first one in the lambskin leather. I know it's very delicate, I know it's very tender, and it can get scratched super easy and can get color transfers, but I wanted this color for so long, and I thought I would treat myself with this beautiful type of leather, because this type of leather makes the bag even more luxurious, because caviar leather is good, it's durable, it's so sturdy, and you just can take the bag and go elsewhere. But this one is just such a treasure, and I know I'm gonna be babying this bag a lot. But without further ado, let's go through all the teeny tiny details and I will show you the bag. I mentioned before, this bag has the most beautiful shiny gold hardware. I thought it would be the best choice. I do like champagne gold hardware, but this one is just so stunning with this light grey color, and I simply adore it. As you can see, the stitching is absolutely perfect, and the bag itself is so well made. We have this side pocket here, and everything looks absolutely stunning. As you can see, if we flip the bag, you will see that all the stitches are on its place and everything looks so good. I know there are downsides on Chanel classic flaps. The first one is definitely the low, because it will get scratched so easily. And especially when it comes to the lambskin leather, I would be babying this bag, because it's so soft, it's so delicate. I can already feel that it can get scratched very easily, so I really need to keep my eyes peeled. Now let's take a look at the interior of the bag, and as you can see, as all Chanel classic flaps, it has this love letter pocket, which is absolutely useless. You really can't put anything inside, but it also has this sort of slip pocket or slip compartment, which you can put some receipts on or some miscellaneous paperwork. As you can see, all the stitches, all the logos are in its place. It's absolutely stunning. The interior, as I can see, is made out of, I guess it's a different type of leather, because it looks a bit sturdier than the exterior of the bag, because exterior leather is a lambskin leather, it's very soft. This one, however, is sort of ruffled or something like that. Nevertheless, it has like one big compartment, as we can see here, 2 pockets for the documents or for the wallet, one little pocket for the lipstick, and my favorite one personally is this a tiny compartment here, because I prefer to keep my cards, to keep like some other paperwork that is very important, just to grab it from this little pocket here, and because it's so easy to access, and I don't really like to fill it up completely. So this is the type of bag I prefer to keep very simple and minimal. So basically, I would carry with me maybe a wallet with a couple of credit cards, maybe my phone inside, maybe a lipstick or something to touch up, but it will be definitely in some sort of like a pouch, something like that, because I don't really like to ruin the interior of the bag, because this color is so light and it can get damaged so easily. It can get soiled, it just can get dusty, especially when you carry like makeup or some compact powder with you. It's just in no second it will get so dirty. So I prefer to have it very simple, because I know based on my experience I have Chanel Classic flap in white, so you really need to baby bags that are white or a light colored, and this one is not an exception. As I mentioned so many times in my previous videos, there are so many ways to carry this bag, and I honestly prefer to carry it as a clutch. No, I don't like to carry it on my shoulder, the shoulder bag, or as a top handle. I prefer to keep it like that, very simple, as a clutch. It's so handy because I don't carry a lot with me in this bag, because you know it's very delicate, and or I like to wear it as a crossbody bag. It's such a stunning bag to wear crossbody, especially when you're wearing something like I don't know, a pair of trousers and a blazer. It looks absolutely fantastic. Some people prefer to wear it like this. I don't like this way of carrying it. It's not very convenient. I like to carry it as a clutch, because when I go to my car, I just put it on the passenger seat and I'm good to go. Then I will just grab and put it under my arm. I think it's super convenient, but of course it's like my personal way of wearing this bag. And yeah, again, this bag is so stunning. As usual, you will find all the information about this particular bag in the description box down below, and if you have any questions whatsoever, please drop them in and I would be happy to chit chat with you. And if you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It really helps me out, and I will see you very soon on my next video. Bye guys.